Okay. Welcome to the midweek session, okay, or halftime show. Okay, so what do we do here? Every midweek Wednesdays, we'll go over the movers of the week. So yung mga winners and losers for the first 3 days of trading. So just to keep you guys updated sa mga gumagalaw or kung saan yung action for to guide you for your trading. Okay, so this is the first official week ng PSE. Okay, so ito, simulan na natin. Tingin lang tayo ng PSE. Okay, so start of the year, dito lang sa range lang tayo, 7,600 to 7,900. So we're in the big range. Pero pag titingnan naman natin yung stock market, may mga sobrang daming gumagalaw na pwede natin i-capitalize. So yung mga movers na nagta 20%, 10%, kahit 5 to 10% swing lang per trade, we can make the most of it, okay? So that's why importante, pag-usapan natin ano yung mga reason ba't sila gumagalaw, ano yung reason ba't nahuhulog, mga iba ba't nahuhuli, laggards compared to the leaders, okay? So let's start with today's movers, okay? So yung sinasabi ko dito, may value dito sa pinaka right side. Yung value na yan, pag maliit lang yan, meaning yan, hindi masyadong traded. So tingnan natin yung VCB na chart. Mapapansin nyo, puro line lang dito. Walang volume. So, hindi na natin pag-aaksaya ng panahon to. Bakit gumagalaw? Dahil naman, hindi na natin mabibili. Okay? So, gusto natin parang ganito, 63 million value. Okay? So, meaning yan, may nangyayari dyan. So, as we can see, this is one of the top movers. Okay? Pag i-zoom in natin, sinabi ko last week, ito pa lang yung move, wala pang nangyayari dito. Parang hindi ko pa alam. This is still on a downtrend. Kikita natin, itong buong move na to, it's still in a big downtrend. Lalo na nasa ibaba ng 50-day MA. Okay, if you look at the bigger picture, talagang downtrend yan. Yan, no? Okay? Nagkakaroon ng mid-rallies but from 60 all the way to 4. 3 pa. So, sobrang down yan. Okay? So, if you put the high here, down na siya ng 96%. Grabe. Okay. So, ito na. Zoom natin. Okay? Zoom. Yung noticeable lang dito is, ano nakikita natin? Napansin ko itong mga volume bars na to sa ilalim, medyo nag-spike up. Compared to here, see, nakita yung volume dito, wala. Pero ito, sobrang laki bigla ng volume. So, assumption is there might be something happening here. So, ano yung nangyayari? Your guess is as good as mine. Hindi ko rin alam ano yung nangyayari dito. So, if you look at the bigger picture, itong araw na to, nag-up ng sobrang laki, wala akong ginawa. Tapos nakita ko nagkaroon ng maliit na pause, wala rin akong ginawa. Ginawa ko, pag break ng 5, bumili ako dun sa 5. So, yun, June. Naging 6 na kanina. So here we are at the resistance level, which is the 50-day MA. For me, I use it as a resistance, mga moving average. So this is the first key resistance. So we might see this maybe, baka mag-correct. Let's see. Pero pwede naman hindi. So this is one of the movers that I'm watching and I'm holding. Yeah. Okay. So yung mga ibang to, hindi na natin ka-count. Ion is counted with 3 million volume, but you can see chart is still on a downtrend with no clear signs of reversing. So gusto natin may signs of reversing. Ito, SFI 92,000, wala naman. PX may significant volume siya ito. What is the signs of reversal? Ito mga to. Yung hindi lang yung one candle. Yung medyo mga up na siya ng 5 to 10 days straight. Yan yung mga gusto natin. Pero ito, walang clear sign pa. Okay? Food, 800,000 volume. Yan, 4 straight days na siya up. So, immediate resistance will be this, 59 cents. And then we'll see after kung anong kulang pa yung volume. Okay? Web, 4 million. Pwede na rin. Wala namang news dito sa sector na to. So, yun. So this is still below, trying to reverse. Nag-retest na dito sa 240 dalawang beses. Now it's trying to move up. So if ever it will make a move, kailangan mag 270 plus to. APX, isang reversal din to. Why? Yan. From 0.9 to 1.18. 30% na from the low. So ito yung sinasabi ko, nagre-reverse. Nagre-reverse siya dito. So, dahil sa gold price yata to. So, APX is a mining company. So, wala akong entry point because hindi nag-pause. Hindi siya nag-pause on the way up, 30% up. So, I will wait for an entry point. So, sana mag-consolidate dito sa area na to. Dito sa area na to, gumawa ng bagong pattern so we can get in. Okay? Okay, wala to. Wala rin to. Ito, trying to reverse IDC. PTC, wala. Okay, MWC. Yan. Okay, MWC. We can see this, nag-rally to, no? From kahapon, nag-news kahapon about the press con of Duterte, January 6. Dito pala yung news, no? January 6. 6 here. Yesterday, nag-follow through. So today, nagkaroon ng profit taking. So, Manila Water is down 6% for the day. For me, if narinig niyo yung previous discussion natin about Manila Water, my target here would be this 50-day at the most. So this will be at 15.65. At least gusto ko sana pumunta doon. Okay? So nagkaroon ng konting profit taking today, down 6% today. Okay? Okay, what's very, very fishy and di ko rin ma-explain bakit is bakit yung DMC counterpart nito is up today. Well, despite being down din nung umaga, pero na-recover nung hapon. On the other hand, Manila Water did not recover. Right? So as you can see, the MCI bounced from the low all the way to the 50-day MA for a 37%. So target reach na to dahil sa 50-day MA na siya. So if you want the next target, you can put 100-day MA sa taas. But as you can see now, MWC is still not yet there. So we need to hit this target. So if being realistic, if I'm being realistic, itong MA na to bababa. Okay, so pag nag-meet sila from 10.2, realistically, baka dito mag-meet sa 14, that will still give us a 38% upside, if ever. So, malaki pa rin yun. Kukunin ko yun. Chances ko na yan. Okay? So, let's talk about the other one. MPI. The other water company na medyo volatile. So, this has the same chart with MWC. But you can see the target here would be the 50-day MA. So we have 12% upside from this current price. So common sense, if there's the same chart, same formation, given na dun ako sa 38% chance, 38% upside chance compared dito 12% to, and then DMCI is already dun sa 50-day MA. Okay? Get? Okay. One more mover of the year is surprisingly ito, ACEX. First day of January. We can see this. It was up 35% on the first trading day of the month. So, despite of itong last month, puro down. Diba? From change name dito, nag-change name dito, tapos nag-down dire-diretso. From the peak, down siya ng 50%. Kalahati. Okay? But from the low, now it's up 50% from the low, right? So anong gusto natin gawin? We want this to stabilize here. Make a new base here in this 9 peso area to 10.50 area, and then form a big consolidation. Then boom, breakout. and then retest the highs. Okay, so that's the one scenario na gusto ko that's one scenario na gusto kong mangyari, but I don't mind naman if magkakaroon ng V rally here. Okay, right? Again. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? Sorry about the noise, background noise. Okay. So another one is ano ba ba? AXLM, sabi nila turn around yung news. So that's why we saw this. We saw this spike up. So from 250 dito for the year, up siya ng 20%. Pero ngayon bumaba na, up na lang ng 13%. So now we can see this pullback. So if abangan nyo to, of course, we want it near this 10-day and 20-day MA. So it's around a 280 area. So if I'm gonna trade this stock, kailangan dyan sa may mga 2.8 tayo mag-aabang. Okay, wait for that pullback there. Okay. Okay, up next is Frutas. Fruit IPO, boom, lakas. So for this year, January 2, nag-up na siya ng 16% for the year, almost 18%. Nag-low pa to, from the low, 113 to 20%, 22% to be exact. Pag from the high, 28%. So ito yung malakas na start for Fruitas because nagkaroon ng disclosure, it's ramping up expansion nila, expansion dun sa nag-acquire sila ng bagong brand and then nag-expand sila sa isang warehouse sa may Davao. So that's good news for this company. But however, the price is still below the IPO price, which is at 1.69. Okay, so pag bumalik yan sa IPO price from this to 1.69, that will still have a 22.5% pag bumalik sa IPO price. Okay. Another notable stock to watch out for the late run is this company, Abacor. So from the lows, it's already up 20% also. So what's happening here? It's nag-reverse siya. So now it's on a reversal. So now we can see medyo chopping in on the way up kasi nag-reverse. So we can see big swings here. So ito lang nga, down siya, next day up siya ng, in 2 days up ng 12%. So ngayon up na ulit. This is a good uptick candle, bullish engulfing candle. So ideally gusto natin umakyat dito yan. Okay, so ano ba iba pang scenario? This can form for new formation here and consolidate to form a Darvas box before moving higher. Okay. So given the news of given the news ng nangyari sa USA, nagkaroon ng bombing, nag-retaliate yung Iran to bomb the US bases. You just saw the PSE down ng 1.33% yung PSE. So not naman sobra. Baka wala namang bagong balita. So let's check WLCON. I think WLCON is also at near the 52-week high at $19. 1 peso away na lang yan. Okay, so that sums up the report for the midweek charting update. For you guys who found this useful, please like and share the channel and the episode. So sa mga every week lang susubaybay, I'll see you guys next week. Sa mga premium members ko, I'll see you guys again on Sunday. I'll post our picks and more discussions there. Good luck for the next 2 trading days of the week. And for you guys, I'll see you guys in 5 days. So next Wednesday na ulit. Thank you very much for listening. I hope we make money tomorrow. Good luck and God bless.